I'm Francesca Valencia, your sales executive in Foton Wonder Pampanga. Now, let me introduce our newest model of double cab, which is the 2025 Foton Wonder Pickup. With the front. So si Foton Wonder, meron na rin siyang headlight with daytime running light with the attachment of logo ni Foton sa gitna, and then meron na din siyang fog lamp with the grille accent. So si Foton Wonder ay isang double cab na may suspension na independent suspension sa harap and lift spring naman sa likod. Disc brake sa harap, drum brake sa likod. And may horsepower po siya na 118 and torque na 152. So si Foton Wonder Pickup ay may 200mm na ground clearance and naka 5-speed manual transmission na rin siya. So ang size ng gulong ni Wonder Pickup ay 175x75 R14. So yung pagka-drop side ni Wonder Pickup double cab is very spacious na rin, wherein very good on use talaga siya for those people na magbi-business or etc. So yung payload capacity ng pagka-drop side niya is nasa 915 kg, and for safety, meron na rin siyang reverse camera, reverse sensor, and AD lights. Para sa interior naman ng ating Wonder Pickup double cab is made of durable hard plastic materials. And since double cab na rin siya, yung seating capacity niya ay 5-seater. And dahil multi-purpose power steering na rin siya, meron na rin siyang power lock and power window. So yung upuan naman niya is manual, forward, backward, tilt, and adjustment, and is made of fabric seat with Foton logo. So yung steering ni Foton Wonder Double Cab is electronic power steering, wherein meron na rin siyang cruise control, shift knob, knob for manual transmission, and dito naman is yung speedometer niya. Meron na rin tayong compartment dito sa taas, and yung map light, and then yung infotainment niya. So si Foton Wonder Pickup ay may touchscreen na rin na infotainment, wherein meron na rin siyang multifunction radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and reverse camera, wherein usually na hinahanap ng client natin. So si Foton Wonder ay nagkakahalaga ng 788,000 pesos with 35,000 all-in DP. For DP inclusion, meron na tayong Laus Group 24/7 road assistance good for 1 year, wherein you can get as much as 32,500 worth of benefits. Meron na rin 3 years LTO registration, 1-year insurance with AON and shuttle mortgage. For freebies, meron na rin kaming tint, seat cover, and matting. For inquiries, you can visit our Facebook page, Foton Wonder Pampanga, or you can text me using this number 0908-529-0259, or if you have free time, you can visit our showroom, which is here located at Jose Cabalanchan, Bacolor, Pampanga. Again, this is Francesca Valencia, your sales executive in Foton Bacolor, Pampanga. Dahil sa Laus, kayang-kaya sa Foton!